Meet the M8RC drone, your gateway to stunning 8K aerial photography in a compact, user-friendly design. Whether you're a beginner exploring the skies or a creator chasing cinematic angles, the M8 delivers big performance in a small, foldable frame. Featuring dual HD cameras, the M8 captures breathtaking aerial and ground shots simultaneously. With 8K ultra-high-definition video resolution and optical flow positioning, your footage stays stable, sharp, and cinematic every single time you take off. The real-time FPV transmission streams crisp visuals straight to your controller's display, powered by 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology for smooth, responsive control up to 1,000 meters away. Take off with confidence. The M8's one-click takeoff and landing system makes it incredibly beginner-friendly, so you can get flying within seconds. And with gravity sensing and gesture control, you can command your drone with just a tilt or a wave of your hand. Want to take your flight to the next level? Activate special stunt modes for exciting 360-degree flips and rotation flights that make every flight session feel like an air show. The removable 3.7-volt 1300 mAh modular battery keeps things simple, offering around 15 minutes of flight time per charge and easy swapping for longer adventures. Plus, universal USB charging means you can power up anywhere. And when the breeze picks up, no worries. The smart Windbreak system stabilizes your flight for steady footage even in light winds. Safety always comes first. Make sure to calibrate before flight, operate on a flat surface, and never start the propellers by hand. Handle the battery with care. Avoid overcharging, high heat, or water exposure. Each M8 package includes everything you need: the aircraft, controller with display, memory card and reader, modular battery, spare blades, dual charging cables, and a full user manual to guide your first takeoff. From crisp 8K visuals to effortless controls and fun flight modes, the M8RC drone brings creativity, power, and simplicity together, ready to capture your world from a whole new angle. Experience flight made simple. Capture your world in 8K with the M8RC drone. Subscribe for more tech reviews and drone tests only on Caring Guy.